He likes sucking on his toothbrush. You're gonna fall in the sink, silly. Noah. Noah. Are you stuck? Oh, are you trying to see where the water's coming from? Oh, we're missing the truck. We're missing the recycling truck. Yeah. Where is that water coming from? Where is that water coming from, huh? Are you trying to drink it? What a good boy! What a good boy. You've been watching Mommy too much, huh? That's how Mommy rinses her mouth. Good boy! Are you trying to drink the water? Drink the water. Drink the water. That's, yeah. Water. No, you're too funny.